Good morning, students. Uh, in this class, I am going to teach you how to draw the letter D in an isometric view. So, the question is given: draw the isometric view of a letter D made of a square section of side 20 mm and overall height is 80 mm. The vertical leg of the letter is fixed such that center is at a distance of 30 millimeter from the square end. So first 20 mm side and overall height is 80. So let us draw the front and top view first. Okay, so here in this, let us draw the front view. So for that, so I draw one horizontal line. So horizontal line, the length is not fixed in this. Then I need to draw one vertical line. So for drawing vertical line, we can use this set square. And we are giving that the overall height is 80, right? The overall height is 80. Overall height is given as 80, and it is made from 20 millimeter square. Okay, 20 millimeter square head. That means I draw 20 millimeter. I fixed one point. So from top onward, also I keep one point 20 millimeter. Okay, then I draw one horizontal line. This is also 20 millimeter. One horizontal line at 20 millimeter. So from here also I draw one horizontal line at 20 millimeter. And draw one vertical line. Okay. So then, so here also we need to draw a 20 mm line because the vertical head, we need to mark the head. Vertical line. Okay. Then from this, so I draw one line. 20 that becomes 40 mm. I draw one horizontal line. Now for the letter we need to draw one semicircle, right? So for that, here the total height is 40. So hit the center and radius in the compass. Now it's okay. Then outer side means, so we can draw with okay. This is the letter D. It's a front view. This is a front view. So the top view means, so we can project from the front view. Can project from the front view. Project towards down. Certain distance I keep on horizontal line. Then it also 20 mm thickness. 20 mm thickness. And you can draw this. This one dashed line. one dash line, one hidden edge. So we completed front and top view. Now we need to draw this in isometric view. And let us understand the second line of the question. So the vertical leg of the letter is fixed such that the center of the vertical head. So this center is at 30 millimeter from the square end. Yes, from here it is 20. And total length is here 20. So this much is 10. So total distance at the center of the vertical head from the square head is 30 only. So what we drawn is correct. So now we need to draw in isometric view. So for drawing isometric view, let us draw one horizontal line. Let's draw one horizontal line and keep one point here. Okay, then we need to take 30 degrees. Okay, draw then from this I draw one vertical line. For drawing vertical line, please use the set squares for setting the vertical line. It's very important. So from this I draw one vertical line also. So here we are going to draw the D letter. So then what is the total height is 80. So here the total height is 80. We can mark it 80. That's all. Then with this, then from the 80 mark 20 from the top and 20 from the bottom. 20 from the top, 1 point, 20 from the top and 20 from the bottom. Then so from here we need to draw one parallel line from here and here. So for drawing parallel lines, how we can draw means, so just I keep the set square here and keep it and draw one line parallel to this side, and also parallel to this side I am going to draw another. Okay, now the head, this 20 mm, so keep 20 mm. So we can have it in the compass, then it is very easy to mark 20 mm. Okay, so now this is 20, this is also 20. So same thing we are going to do. Then I am going to draw one vertical line. So here also I am going to draw. So here no need to draw the vertical line over here. Then so from here also, so I draw horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. Okay, now at this point also the 20 20 20, so here also 20, here no need to 20. So now we can mark this. Okay, this edge. So we completed this. Okay, this letter. Then this distance is, what is the distance? 20 20 40. So I can have 2. So here 20, another 20 40. So here also 120 and 40. The same here also 20 20 becomes 40. So okay, now what we can do? Then draw one parallel line. Then, so from here also draw parallel lines. So these lines, it's okay. So here the value is 20. Now can connect this. Okay, then here we can draw one line. So now the most probably the horizontal and the vertical head are over. Okay, up to this the horizontal and vertical head are over. Okay, now here we got the horizontal and vertical head. So now we need to draw one circle here, right? We need to draw one circle, semicircle. For that, what we can do is we can draw the semicircle with box method only, box method. So here the height of the circle is, height is 40, right? So 40. So with this center I need to draw one semicircle. Now I complete this with a box. So complete this. And here I need to draw one big semicircle, right? So here I need to draw one big semicircle. So here the height is 80. So with this I need to first I complete one box. So here 20 20 40, so total 40. So I complete this. So I extend this line, extend this line also. Then so here also 20 20 are right, 40. Yes, so this is our box. See here, this is our box. So with this box I need to draw one semicircle, right? So here what we can do, so listen, this is 80, so this is 40 40 80. So here also 80 80 box. So now draw the main diagonal. main diagonal. Okay, draw the main diagonal. From this we need to draw the center point. Mark the center point of this, and from here also I mark the center point. So here the center point, so I connect this point and this, I become one center, and from here to this center become one center point. Now keep the compass here, then draw the semicircle. Okay, like this. Then for drawing the circle, so keep the center here. That's all. So now or D. So then here one semicircle over, then some distance back another semicircle is there. We need to draw this. So for that we need to draw only this segment only, we need to draw over here. So for that what we can do is just draw one. So with this center only I draw one circle, right? So I bring the center towards here. So I bring so this edge I keep parallel line. So I bring the center. So 20 mm back I need to draw. So keep 20 mm here, 20 mm, so the center point become here. Then with this center, similarly the same radius. So we can, what we have here, the same radius, keep it here and draw one semicircle. Okay, then draw one tangent line. Now the outside semicircle is over. Then draw the inner semicircles. So here also we can use one box method. So here 40, right? So extend this line. Here also I extend. So total distance is okay. So now here also I complete one box. Okay, box completed. So now this is the main diagonal, right? This is the main diagonal. I draw one line opposite to this point. So here the center point is here. I need to find the center point of this vertical edge, this edge. So 2. So draw this. Okay. Here one center point, here another center point. Then keep this as center. This is radius. I draw one circle, right? Then so this is the center. This center, this is the radius. I draw one semicircle. That will meet here. Done. So inner semicircle also. Then another thing is the inside this arc will be visible some distance. So for that, for drawing this circle, I keep this as center. Then I draw a line parallel to this edge, right? Draw a line parallel to this edge. Yes, the center I bring it towards inside. So and keep 20 mm point, 20 mm here only. So the same radius. So now I keep this and this as radius I draw. So and I bring the center here and I am drawing, but it is coming inside. So no need to draw the inside. So this is only the finished drawing. Let us draw the finished drawing. Okay, we finished the letter D.